Have you ever wanted to reshape your entire body without machines, without weights, and without stepping foot in a gym? That's exactly what isometric exercises offer. Instead of doing reps, you hold static positions that activate deep muscle fibers, improving strength, endurance, and posture. The best part, you can do them anywhere. In this video, you'll discover 6 powerful isometric exercises that will change how you train, along with a bonus tip to boost your results even further. Number 6. Superman Hold. Lie face down, arms and legs extended, and lift both slightly off the ground as if you're flying. That's the Superman. This position targets your lower back, glutes, and hamstrings. Key areas for posture and spinal support. Don't overarch your back. Keep your gaze down and breathe normally. Start with 20-second holds for 3 sets. If you feel lower back pain, check your form. You might be lifting too high or not engaging your glutes enough. Over time, increase to 30 to 40 seconds or try alternating limbs for more challenge. Number 5. Isometric push-up. Hold. Assume the push-up position and lower halfway down. Then freeze. This targets the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all at once. Make sure your body forms a straight line, and avoid letting your hips sag or your shoulders creep up toward your ears. Begin with 15 to 20 seconds and rest between sets. If that's too tough, drop your knees to reduce intensity. Over time, increase the hold or experiment with hand positioning to vary the challenge. This is a great way to build upper body strength and shoulder stability. Number 4. Wallsit invisible chair. Slide down into a seated position against a wall, knees at a 90-degree angle. This invisible chair works the quadriceps, glutes, and core without a single movement. Start with 20-second holds. Keep your lower back flat against the wall and chest open. If you're not using a wall, make sure your torso stays upright and your knees don't go past your toes. As you progress, hold longer or add a dumbbell for extra resistance. This exercise improves leg strength and joint stability for daily tasks like climbing stairs or lifting objects. Before we continue, drop your name and city in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-based fitness tips. Number 3. Dead hang. Grab a bar, hang with your arms extended, and hold. Sounds easy? Try it. The dead hang builds grip strength, shoulder stability, and even helps decompress your spine. Keep your shoulders engaged, not shrugged, and your body steady. Breathe calmly. Beginners can aim for 10 to 20 seconds, eventually working up to 60. Dead hangs are great for prepping for pull-ups or just giving your posture a much-needed reset. If you want more challenge later, try hanging with one hand, but master the basics first. Number 2. Isometric glute bridge. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Lift your hips to create a straight line from shoulders to knees. This move hits your glutes, lower back, and core. Start with 20-second holds. Squeeze your glutes and press your heels into the ground. Avoid overarching your back. If your lower back hurts, you're likely lifting too high or not engaging your core. Progress by holding one leg in the air or placing your upper back on a bench to increase difficulty. This is especially beneficial for those who sit a lot, helping prevent imbalances and back pain. Number 1. The plank, a classic for a reason. The plank is the ultimate core strengthening hold. Get into a forearm or high plank position, keeping your body aligned like a board. Don't let your hips sag or rise too high. Keep your head neutral, eyes on the floor, and breathe steadily. Beginners can start with 10 to 20 seconds. As your strength improves, increase the hold or try side planks and leg lifts. Done properly, the plank not only sculpts your abs, but also supports your spine and improves posture. You don't need equipment, just discipline and good form. Bonus tip: supplement with creatine. To take your results to the next level, consider supplementing with creatine. This natural compound helps supply energy to your muscles during high-intensity efforts like these isometric holds. It increases your body's phosphocreatine stores, allowing you to train longer and harder, stimulating muscle growth and strength. Creatine also draws water into your muscle cells, boosting protein synthesis and helping with recovery. Just be careful. Misuse can backfire. To avoid mistakes, check out our video on how to take creatine safely. Thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, leave a like, subscribe, and remember, your progress starts with action.